Okay. Uh, so let us start our session. All of you mute your mics. Today we are going to start session number 9 of chapter number 6, triangles, and we are going to complete the left out questions of exercise 6.5. This is the first question, question number 13. D and E are points on the sides CA and CB, C and CB respectively of a triangle ABC, right angled at C. Prove that AE square plus BD square is equals to AB square plus DE square. So एक डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. पॉइंट डी जो है वो ए सी पे है अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, एंड ई जो है वो बी सी पे है, एंड राइट एंगल्ड एट सी. What we have to show that AE square plus BD square is equals to AB square plus DE square. Now you have to identify how many right triangles are there in this figure. Priyanshi, you tell one right triangle.
Triangle DEC.
Very good. Anish, second right triangle.
The triangle ACE.
ACE. Very good. Anshuman, third triangle.
Sir, triangle ABC.
Triangle ABC, full triangle. Very good. One more triangle is there. कौन बोलेगा?
Triangle BCD.
Okay, triangle BDC. Very good. So we will take
Triangle
one.
BDC.
We will take all the four triangles one by one, and we'll apply Pythagoras theorem. So we'll take first triangle ABC, that is BCA, and AB square is equals to BC square plus CA square by Pythagoras theorem. Let it be equation number 1. We'll take another triangle. So दूसरा triangle हम लोग लेने जा रहे हैं. कौन सा triangle लें? चलो ACE ले लेते हैं. What you will get if you apply Pythagoras theorem? What you will get if you apply Pythagoras theorem?
Sir, AC square plus AC square is equal to AB.
Okay. BCA ले लिए. Now we are going to take triangle. कौन सा triangle लें अभी हम लोग? ECD ले लेते हैं. वही CDE. What you will get in this triangle?
DE square is equals to DC square plus
DC
DC
square
square.
is equal to DC square plus DC square.
Okay. So we'll get DE square is equals to EC square plus DC square. Okay. Now we are going to take triangle BCD. Triangle BCD. Apply Pythagoras theorem.
BD
Sir,
square.
DC square plus BC square is equal to BD square.
एक मिनट. All of you mute your mic. मैं जिसका नाम बोलूंगा वो बोलेगा. हेमंत.
Yes, sir.
In triangle BCD, by applying Pythagoras theorem, what you will get?
CD square is equal to CD square plus BC square.
And in triangle ACD, AE square is equals to AC square plus CE square, and in triangle BCD, BD square is equals to BC square plus CD square. So all these four equations we got by using Pythagoras theorem. Now in the question it is given AE square plus BD square. अभी AE square कहाँ पर है? देखो यहाँ पर है, और BD square यहाँ पर है. So what we will do, we will add 3 and 4 to get the left hand side. So adding 3 and 4, what we will get? AE square plus BD square is equals to AC square plus CE square plus BC square plus CD square. अब हम लोग इसमें पेयरिंग करेंगे. ओके. कैसे पेयरिंग करेंगे? देखो, AC स्क्वायर को हम लोग BC स्क्वायर के साथ पेयर करेंगे, इन दोनों को. So what you will get?
AB square.
Right. And we will pair CE square with CD square. What you will get?
DE square.
DE square.
Sir,
Right.
DB square.
तो हम लोग अभी पेयर बना लिए. सो इसके जगह पे हम लोग लिख सकते हैं AB स्क्वायर, और इसके जगह पे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग DE स्क्वायर. सो प्रूफ हो गया. एनी डाउट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersect BC at point D such that BD is equals to 3 times CD. Prove that 2 times AB square is equals to 2 times AC square plus BC square. So what we are going to do, we are going to take first BD is equals to 3 times CD. It is given in the question. Okay, now how will you write BC? How will you write BC?
True.
CD plus BD.
BC को CD और BD
CD
के terms
plus
में CD.
CD is equals to
Right.
half CD.
So BC is equals to BD plus CD. Now in place of BD we can write 3 times of CD. So इसको हम लोग रिप्लेस करेंगे 3 CD से. रिप्लेस कर दिए, कितना मिलेगा ये?
4 CD.
Right. We'll get 4 CD. Now what is CD here? Okay, fine. यहाँ पे CD को हम लोग BC के टर्म में कैसे लिख सकते हैं? How will you write CD in terms of BC?
BC by 4 is equals to CD.
Right. CD is equals to 1/4 of BC. Now next we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem in both the triangles. एक ट्राइंगल ABD और एक ट्राइंगल ACD. चलो वन बाय वन बोलो. ABD में क्या मिलेगा? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. एक मिनट आकिफा. ABD.
Sir, AB square equals to AD square plus BD square.
Very good. Next Shweta, in triangle ACD if you apply Pythagoras theorem, what you will get? Shweta. Pradulata.
Sir, AC square is equal to AB square plus CD square.
Right. So we will apply Pythagoras theorem in these two triangles. So हम लोग को ये दो इक्वेशंस मिल गया. अब ये दोनों इक्वेशन में क्या चीज सेम दिख रहा है? What is the common?
AD square.
AD
Right
square.
hand side.
AD square.
राइट हैंड साइड इक्वल नहीं है. देखो मैं अंडरलाइन कर रहा हूँ. दिस इज सेम. अगर हम लोग ये दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे सो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप, AB square minus AC square, what we will get? BD square minus CD square or DC square. Why? Because these two will be cancelled if we subtract. Now we are going to replace CD by CD को अभी हम लोग रिप्लेस करेंगे. CD को क्या 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 रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं?
1 by 4
1 by 4 DC.
ठीक है. उससे पहले बिफोर दैट वी विल राइट BD ऑल्सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ CD. BD कितना है देखो क्वेश्चन में.
3 CD.
3 CD.
राइट 3 CD. तो 3 CD अगर आप लोग सब्सटीट्यूट करते हैं तो इट विल बिकम 9 CD होल स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस टू?
8 CD whole
8 CD
CD
square.
square.
CD whole square.
8 CD होल स्क्वायर. नाउ अब यहाँ पे CD का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करो ये वाला. सो यू विल गेट 1 by 16 into BC. 1 by 16 into BC square. So ये 8 और 16 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. So we'll get 2 here. So finally AB square minus AC square will get BC square by 2. मैं एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे जब सब्ट्रैक्ट किए तो ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गया. So we got this one. Now we replaced BD by 3 times CD. We'll get 9 CD square minus CD square, so it will be 8 CD square. फिर CD का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट किए 1 by 4 BC. So BC by 4 whole square, it will become BC square by 16. फिर ये दोनों कैंसिल होगा और हम लोग को फाइनल मिलेगा BC square by 2. Now we'll write in the next slide. ये next slide में repeat कर दिए. Now we'll do cross multiplication. So what you will get after cross multiplication? Anshuman.
Sir, 2AB square minus 2AC square is equal to BC square.
Right. 2AB square 2 times AB square minus AC square is equals to BC square. Now if you multiply we'll get 2 times AB square minus 2 times AC square is equals to BC square. Now what you have to do, you have to shift this to this side. तो ये जब shift करेंगे तो क्या होगा, माइनस का प्लस हो जाएगा. So we'll got the final equation जो प्रूफ करना था, यही वाला प्रूफ करना था. So this is question number 14. Now we are moving towards one very important question, very important. ये बोर्ड एग्जाम में बहुत बार आ चुका है एंड लास्ट ईयर भी आया था. ये लास्ट ईयर मीन्स 2019 में आया था एंड दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we are going to read the question. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equals to 1 upon 3 BC. Prove that 9 times AD square is equals to 7 times AB square. So what is given that ABC is an equilateral triangle. तो equilateral triangle में तीनों sides equal होता है. So what we will do, we'll take 3 sides as equals to x. या a भी ले सकते हो, whatever you can take this variable. So let us draw the figure. ये equilateral triangle है, इसमें point D दिया हुआ है. D is a point on BC such that this BD is 1/3 of BC. So 1/3 of BC मतलब BD को x term में कैसे लिखेंगे? How will you write in terms of x? इधर x
1 by
substitute.
3.
So 1
X by
by 3.
हाँ, x by
by
3.
3.
Right, x by 3. So BD is equals to x by 3 हो गया. Now एक छोटा सा इसमें हम लोग कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे. We'll draw one perpendicular line from A. Okay, draw altitude AE from A to BC. Okay, this is perpendicular line. So construction clear हो गया. इसमें one very important property of an equilateral triangle is that altitude bisects the base. So AE altitude bisects the base, that is BC, and so BE is equals to EC. That we have to write. We know that the altitude from a vertex of an equilateral triangle bisects the opposite side. So BE is equals to EC is equals to x by 2, क्योंकि पूरा full length जो है वो x है. तो BE भी half of x हो जाएगा और CE भी half of x हो जाएगा. Next, how will you find DE? The next is how will you find DE? DE कैसे निकालेंगे?
So we know that BE is equal
हाँ,
to
in terms of
तो
side,
दोनों को
how will
minus
you
करके
find
मिलेगा
DE?
सर.
In terms of side, how will you find DE? BE
Sir,
minus
minus
By 5.
BE minus BD.
right, BE minus BD. So DE is equals to BE minus BD. Now we will substitute BE. BE कितना था? X by 2. And what is BD? X by 3. So we'll substitute x by 2 minus x by 3. After taking LCM, what we will get?
X by 6.
Right, very good. It is equals to x by 6. So हम लोग को सभी values मिल गए. Now AD belongs to which triangle? AD belongs to which triangle? Which right triangle?
Triangle AEB.
ADE में हम लोग को DE मिल गया. Now we have to find AE. So last year in class 9th you have studied that an altitude of an equilateral triangle is can be for that we can use one formula √3 by 2a. Last year पढ़े है ना, height of equilateral triangle. So in an equilateral triangle the length of altitude is given by √3 upon 2 side, or you can show by using Pythagoras theorem also. This is x and this is x by 2. So this can, if you use Pythagoras theorem to find the value of AE square, you will get 3 by 4 x square. So that is not required and we can use formula directly. So AE कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पर? √3 upon 2 x. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now we are going to take that right triangle. अभी जो बोले थे ADE. Apply Pythagoras theorem. What you will get? ADE.
AD square is equals to DE square plus AE square.
Right. In triangle ADE, AD square is equals to AE square plus DE square by Pythagoras theorem. Now we got the value of AE कितना मिला था √3/2 x, तो उसका स्क्वायर कितना हो जाएगा √3/2 x
3/4 x
3/4
x square.
3/4 x square.
And what is DE? DE कितना मिला था हम लोग को x/6 मिला था, so it will become x square upon 36. This step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the LCM of 4 and 36?
36.
7/9.
9.
4 और 36 का LCM कितना होगा 36 only.
7/9.
36.
36. तो इसको किससे इंटू करना पड़ेगा हम लोग को 9 से इंटू
9.
करना पड़ेगा, तो
9 से
ये 27x स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, राइट 27x स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर अपॉन 36. So 27x square plus x square, how it will become
28x square.
28
right
square.
28x square. अब ये दोनों 4 से कैंसिल हो रहा है ना,
Yes, sir.
कितना मिलेगा ऊपर
7.
7x square by 9.
right 7x square upon 9. Now cross multiplication.
9 square is equal to 7x square.
Before cross multiplication, now I am going to replace x by AB. You can replace x by BC also, you can replace x by AC also. तो अगर मान लो now cross multiplication you will get this one. क्वेश्चन में अगर मान लो दिया हुआ है 9 times AD square is equals to 7 BC square. So सेम यही स्टेप करेंगे और x को रिप्लेस करेंगे BC square से. क्लियर है? In the question, if it is given 9 AD square is equals to 7 AC square, you have to prove. So same step will replace x by AC in the end. So this is the proof of this question. Now we are moving towards another important question, that is question number 16. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So first of all we have to draw the equilateral triangle, and in equilateral triangle all the 3 sides are equal. So I am going to take all the 3 sides as 2a, और उसमें मैं क्या करूँगा I will draw one AD perpendicular to BC. So this is all 3 sides are 2a. Now just now we have seen that one property that an altitude bisects the base. So ये a हो जाएगा और ये भी a हो जाएगा. So that we have to write once again. We know that the altitude from a vertex of an equilateral triangle bisects the opposite side. So BD is equals to CD is equals to a. Half of BC, that is equals to a. Now what we have to do after this step, we have to take any one right triangle. ये दोनों में से कोई एक right triangle लेना है. चलो हम लोग ABD ले लेते हैं. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. What you will get?
AB square is equal to BC square plus AD square.
Right. So in right triangle ABD, AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. Now what is AB?
2A.
2A. And what is BD?
A.
A. So that we are going to substitute. So 2a whole square will become 4a square और ये a square. इसको यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप में. So माइनस हो जाएगा. So what you will get? 4a square minus a square.
3A square.
Right. Now what is a? a को हम लोग रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. Either you can replace it by AB by 2 or BC by 2 or AC by 2. Clear? A you can replace it by either BC by 2 or AB by 2, क्योंकि यहाँ पर देखो AB 2A है और BC 2A है, तीनों sides equal है. All 3 sides are equal to 2A. So A can be written either in the form of AB by 2 or BC by 2 or AC by 2. मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ AB. So this will become 3 times AB by 2 whole square. Why? Because A is equals to AB by 2. So finally what we will get here? Square करने के बाद क्या मिलेगा?
4.
AB square by 4.
AB square by 4. Now cross multiply करो अब. So we'll get 3 times AB square is equals to 4 times AD square. See, 3 times square of one side, 3 times square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. Proof is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards the last question of the exercise. Take the correct answer and justify. In triangle ABC, AB is given 6 root 3, AC is given 12 centimeter and BC is given 6 centimeter. The angle B is, we have to select one of these 4 options. So पहले हम लोग solve कर लेते हैं इसको. So what is given here? AB is equals to
6 root 3.
AB is equals to 6 root 3, AC is equals to 12 and BC is equals to 6 centimeter. So AB और BC दिया और AC square कितना हो जाएगा? 12 square, that is equals to 144.
144 centimeter.
Now we are going to find the sum of the square of these two sides. इन दोनों का सम का स्क्वायर कितना होगा? देखो इसका स्क्वायर बताओ. 6 root 3 का स्क्वायर. The square of 6 root 3.
108.
Right. The square of 6.
108.
36.
Right. So AB square plus
36.
BC square is equals to 6 root 3 whole square plus 6 square. अभी बताया कि इसका 108 है और इसका 36. So if you add, what you will get?
144.
Right, 144. That means this is equal to AC square because AC square is also 144. So we'll conclude that AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. So which angle is 90 degree? The angle opposite to AC.
Angle B.
Angle B.
Right. So this,
B, sir.
hence by converse of Pythagoras theorem, ABC is right triangle and right angle at B. That is angle B is equals to 90 degrees. So which option is correct?
C.
C.
C. So correct option is C. Now we are moving towards the last exercise. Exercise 6.6 optional exercise. This is an optional exercise in our textbook. It is written that the question is एक मिनट मैं टेक्स्ट बुक ओपन करके दिखलाता हूँ. See here, against this star mark, what is given that these exercises are not from examination point of view. But कुछ questions ऐसे भी हैं जो exams में आए हुए हैं. That is why you have to do all the questions of this exercise. Okay. So we'll start the first question and we'll try to complete at least 2 questions today. So try to understand the question first. PS is the bisector of triangle angle QPR of triangle PQR. This angle. So prove that QS upon SR is equals to PQ upon PR. So actual में जो पुराने syllabus में ये एक theorem था, internal angle bisector theorem. In the old NCERT, it was given in the form of property or theorem also. So internal angle bisector theorem के नाम से था, but that theorem has been removed and it is given in the form of question. So this is the figure and this is the bisector of this angle. So now we are going to do one construction. What we are going to do, we are going to draw a line parallel to PS through R. R से हम लोग एक parallel line draw करेंगे. Okay. And which will intersect the extended line at point T. And we'll mark these two angles as 1, 2 and these two angles as 3, 4. Okay. Next. Now in this figure, in this full triangle, PS is parallel to TR by construction. So can we say angle 1 is equals to angle 4? Angle
Yes,
1.
sir.
Yes,
Why?
Yes, sir.
Why these two angles are equal?
Corresponding.
Corresponding.
Very
angle.
good. What about angle 2 and angle 3?
Alternate.
Alternate interior.
Right,
Alternate
alternate
interior
interior angles. So we'll write in triangle QRT, PS is parallel to TR. PS is parallel to TR. So angle 2 is equals to angle 3. क्या reason बताया था इसका?
Alternate interior
Right,
angles.
alternate interior angles. And second one, angle 1 is equals to angle 4. Why? Corresponding.
Corresponding angles.
Right. But angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Why?
Because PS bisects.
Very good. PS is the bisector of angle QPR. Next, if these two angles are equal, so this will imply angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Now, if angle 3 and angle 4 are equal, then PS is equals to PT. Why? PR is equals
Angles
to PT.
opposite to equal sides are equal.
Repeat.
Angles opposite to equal sides are equal.
उल्टा उल्टा रिवर्स है उसका, एंगल्स नहीं है, साइड्स.
Sides opposite to equal sides are equal.
Right, sides opposite to two equal angles are equal. Yeah, equal sides have equal angle opposite to it. Right, now PT is equals to PR over. Now we are going to take full triangle. पूरा full triangle में ले रहा हूँ. Full triangle में that is QTR or या QRT. PS is parallel to TR. So we can apply Thales theorem here. What is the alternate name of Thales theorem?
Basic proportionality.
Basic proportionality
Right.
theorem.
So in triangle QRT, PS is parallel to TR. So this will imply QP upon PT is equals to this. QP upon PT is equals to QS upon SR. Why?
Basic proportion.
Right, by basic proportionality theorem. Now we can replace PT by PR. Why?
Because PT is equals to PR.
Right, already proved above. अब उसको थोड़ा सा रीअरेंज करके लिख लेते हैं. PQ upon PR. See, PQ upon PR is equals to QS upon SR. Proof हो गया? Any doubt?
Yes. No, sir.
Very
No,
easy. Only the main part of this question is the construction part. So now let us move towards the question number 2. The question number 2, in the given figure, D is a point on hypotenuse AC of triangle ABC such that question देखो, ये थोड़ा सा incomplete question है. The figure is given like that. Actually BD is perpendicular to AC होना चाहिए, otherwise ये question prove करना बहुत मुश्किल है. This can be proved only when BD perpendicular to AC. That is why you have to write by yourself. Diagram भी correct कर लो, क्योंकि इसमें यही वाला एक mistake है. और अगर नया बुक होगा तो डेफिनेटली उसमें करेक्शन होगा, क्योंकि मेरे पास अभी जो है बुक है वो पुराना वाला बुक, सॉफ्ट कॉपी जो है पुराना है. अपने पास अगर एनसीईआरटी तुम लोग के पास होगा, चेक करो, यही वाला फिगर रहेगा. BD इज परपेंडिकुलर टू AC होना चाहिए, क्योंकि पुराने बुक में एक मिस्टेक था. अगर किसी के पास पुराना बुक है तो वो लोग करेक्ट कर लेना, क्योंकि BD परपेंडिकुलर टू AC होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज वो प्रूफ नहीं कर पाओगे. Okay, fine. So accordingly you have to correct. Now next, see carefully. In triangle ABC, BD is perpendicular to AC. See carefully. BD is perpendicular to AC. DM is perpendicular to BC and DN is perpendicular to AB. It is given. And DN parallel to BM, BN BN parallel to DM. That is DM parallel to NB. So this will be a rectangle. Why? Because each angle is 90 degree. Opposite sides भी parallel है और 90 degree भी है. So as all angles are right angles and opposite sides are parallel, so NBMD, yeah, DMBN is a rectangle. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now see, if this is a rectangle, ND is equals to BM, ND is equals to BM, and NB is equals to DM. Why? Opposite sides of a rectangle.
Sides of rectangle.
Right. उसके बाद now see, BD is perpendicular to AC. It is given. BD is perpendicular to AC. सो दैट मीन्स एंगल BDC इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री। ये वाला जो एंगल है, एक मिनट, दिस एंगल इज 90 डिग्री, ये वाला जो एंगल है। सो इस एंगल को हम लोग ब्रेक कर सकते हैं। एंगल BDM, एक एंगल ये हो गया और एक एंगल ये हो गया। द सम ऑफ दिस टू एंगल्स इज 90 डिग्री। क्लियर है ये वाला? द सम ऑफ दिस टू एंगल्स इज 90 डिग्री। व्हाई? बिकॉज एंगल BDC इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री। नेक्स्ट, इन सिमिलरली इन ट्राइंगल DMC, ध्यान से देखो, इन ट्राइंगल DMC दिस एंगल इज 90 डिग्री। सो इसको भी हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, ये दोनों एंगल जो सम है वो 90 डिग्री बोल सकते हैं। व्हाई? दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल, the sum of these two angles is equals to 90 degree by using angle sum property of triangle. Now see carefully, equation 1 और equation 2 में these two angles is common. These two angles is common. So from equation 1 to what we can conclude that these two are equal and angle BDM is equals to angle C. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो हम लोग के पास जो जो दिया हुआ था उसका यूज करके ये वाला प्रूफ कर दिए हैं, ये वाला इक्वल प्रूफ कर दिए, और ये दोनों अभी हम लोग नेक्स्ट पार्ट में यूज करेंगे। सो लेट अस मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पार्ट। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टेक टू ट्राइंगल्स, BMD और MDC, ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स जो येलो कलर में शेडेड है। ध्यान से देखो, अभी मैंने बताया था एंगल C जो है, एंगल C इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल, राइट? सो एंगल B इस एंगल के बराबर होगा, क्योंकि अभी मैं इसका करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स लिखने जा रहा हूँ, बट उससे पहले आई एम गोइंग टू प्रूव दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर। फर्स्ट, एंगल BDM इज इक्वल टू एंगल C, एंगल C और एंगल BDM प्रूव्ड अबव, ऑलरेडी प्रूव्ड, and these two angles are equal because each angle 90 degree. So we can write these two triangles are similar by which criteria? A criteria, right? A similarity. Now if these two triangles are similar, अब इसका corresponding sides identify कर रहे हैं। इन दोनों के opposite sides बताओ मुझे। BDM, इसका opposite side,
BM.
right? Angle C का opposite side, angle C का opposite side,
DM.
DM, राइट? तो इन दोनों का ऑपोजिट साइड मिल गया। दूसरा जो पेयर है, ये वाला पेयर, ये वाला जो एंगल है वो इसके बराबर होगा, जो थर्ड एंगल है। सो इसके ऑपोजिट में साइड कौन सा है, देखो, DM। और इसके ऑपोजिट में कौन सा साइड है, देखो,
CM.
ठीक है। तो इसका रेशियो मैं ले रहा हूँ, राइट? DM अपॉन BM इज इक्वल टू CM अपॉन DM और MC। This step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why these ratios are equal?
Corresponding sides of
Corresponding sides of similar triangles
Right.
are proportional.
Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Now on cross multiplication, what you are going to get?
DM square is equals to DM into MC.
Right. ठीक है। But हम लोग को क्या प्रूफ करना था? DN into MC. But BM को we can replace it DN. Why? Because these two are equal. Already proved. So ये हम लोग का फर्स्ट बिट हो गया। अब सेकंड बिट के लिए सिमिलरली वी कैन शो दैट दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर। हम लोग को दिखलाना नहीं है, बट वी कैन राइट दैट सिमिलरली दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर। कौन कौन सा ट्राइंगल? ये दोनों जो ग्रीन कलर में है। नाउ सी केयरफुली, the corresponding angle of this is this one, और इसका जो corresponding angle होगा ये वाला होगा। तुम लोग को पाइथागोरस थ्योरम में 1 2 लिख के बताया भी था, ओके? तो ध्यान से देखो, मुझे अभी ऑपोजिट साइड्स बताना। कौन सा ट्राइंगल पहले है? NDA, मतलब ये वाला ट्राइंगल। इसके ऑपोजिट में साइड कौन सा बताओ?
AM.
AN। और इसका इक्वल ये है, इसके ऑपोजिट में साइड
DN.
वेरी गुड। अब दूसरा करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल A ले लेते हैं, इसके ऑपोजिट में साइड
DN.
DN। ये वाला इक्वल है, इसके ऑपोजिट में साइड
bn.
bn, right? So dn upon bn is equals to an upon dn. Now what we will do, we will cross multiply these two. So what we are going to get?
dn square is equals to bn into an.
Right. लेकिन हम लोग को प्रूफ क्या करना है? dn square is equals to dm into an. So again nb जो है that is equals to dm. Already we proved. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is the last question of today's session, and after this one more session is there, section is there. कौन सा section है last में? The last section is assignment section. All these 4 questions you have to complete.
Assignment question.
ठीक है, इस चारों क्वेश्चंस को कंप्लीट करके मुझे व्हाट्सएप में भेजना है, and the time is already over, 12:42. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much. Okay, आज जो भी क्वेश्चंस किए हैं, किसी को कोई डाउट है, पूछना है? मैं रिकॉर्डिंग ऑलरेडी कर चुका हूँ, and I will upload this recording in my YouTube channel. But after 10th C class, you please watch once again and you complete your notes also. No doubt है ना?
No, sir.
Okay, very good.
No, sir.